old-fashioned entrepreneur building. We design rainwater harvesting systems according to the characteristics of the region. Mainly collects road and roof water. This is the system for our rainwater harvesting system. Total volume is 71 cubic meters. The collected rainwater first goes through a pump, and then through the storm drains, access to the sterilization system. Then through the storm sewer into the clean water tank. Finally pressurized by a pump, mainly for green irrigation, water for road cleaning and firefighting, etc. Rainwater collection through filtration and purification systems, addressing the effective use of urban stormwater management, improvement of water resources for urban use, improving urban ecosystem health, thereby creating a livable urban environment.